Okay, so PayPal. So I've been trading PayPal on and off for a number of years now. Um, in my opinion, PayPal is a solid company. Now, when we look at the price, you might say to yourself, "What are you talking about? You're crazy." So, March 2021, the price was almost $300. So, when I look at this stock, what I see is an incredible opportunity to buy in at the bottom. The current price is $60.64. But if we look back, there has been a significant sell off last week. So you can see that, yeah, the stock has been in decline for a number of years. But again, for me, this is just an incredible opportunity. So when I trade futures, I talk about gaps. So gaps have to be filled. Okay, so look at this gap that has to be filled. Okay, absolutely huge. PayPal has been one of the top companies in its field for many, many years. I personally use it. It has quite a comprehensive package. There's a lot of things that you can do in terms of paying people, in terms of receiving money. There's a very, very good reporting database within PayPal as well. So for me, it's absolutely solid. Now, what I'm saying is, I've instructed my team to buy PayPal today. Well, what I'm saying is that this is the kind of stock that you can hold for a year and make over 100% on it easily. As I said, look where the stock was, almost $300, February 2021. Over $300, literally, well, almost 3 years ago. So you can see the possibility that this stock has to grow. So let's just go in to the kind of mini overview of the stock. The potential for this stock to grow is absolutely huge. It's absolutely huge. Now, this is a kind of a principle and approach that I take for trading in general. Okay, you see a massive decline on the instrument, whatever it is, and then you buy in at the bottom. I mean, this is an incredible opportunity. So I think that going forward, I'm going to change things up a little bit, and I think we'll start to do more videos like this on the stocks that we trade. So this is actually from my swing trading private Telegram group. So we have a portfolio of stocks, and we add one stock to the portfolio every single week. Now, we have traded this in the past. As a matter of fact, I think the last time that we traded it, we returned somewhere between 8 and 10%. Okay, so this is a fantastic buy. $60.64. Previously, 3 years ago, $300. So look at this gap, guys, that has to be filled. Absolutely incredible. So the market opens today. I've instructed my team to buy PayPal, and we're going to hold it for probably a year. So let's maybe come back in a couple of months, do an update, do a little video to see how we're getting on. And I see an incredible opportunity to buy in at $60. You could easily wait and sell at $100, or maybe even $160. See you guys very soon again.